Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to another market forecast. Let's do a little bit of a review of what happened on NFP, right? On Euro USD. As you guys can see, we had a huge movement down, and then after that we had a movement up. Okay, and actually getting to this bearish order block on NFP. I didn't trade NFP, but I'm thinking about creating a strategy specifically for NFP. And with that, I will have to back test all the past NFPs and actually see if I can fit a strategy for this specific day. All right. So yeah, the behavior on NFP was this one. So I marked out. I thought it was important to mark it out because we actually have to study a little bit about that movement to actually understand what may happen on the following days. All right. So regarding today's market forecast, I'd like to pinpoint that today we're going to have bank holiday on the USA, and we're also going to have a Canadian bank holiday. So let's start off with this statement that today I believe it will not be a good trading day. It will not be a very volatile day. So I will think 1,000 times before placing a trade because of that. Right. Every forecast that I will tell you guys today for this day may happen on the next day, so tomorrow, because once today is a low volatility day, it's very likely to be a low volatility day. We may not see the movement that we expect to see today. Instead, we may see this type of movement being put off to tomorrow. All right, so the forecast for today, if it doesn't happen today, it's probably because the market will move sideways or only reach to the first liquidity level on the lower time frames. And actually, the actual movement, the actual big movement, will happen probably tomorrow. All right, so I'm already predicting that price can go sideways, but price can gravitate very slow to the POI I am expecting today, right? So USA bank holiday today, Canadian bank holiday today. Let's keep that in mind before placing any trade, all right? So let's go to DXY first, as usual. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that there was a fair value gap right here on the daily time frame, which right before NFP, the price was gravitating inside of this fair value gap right here. And actually, if you go down to the 4 hour, I don't know, 4 hour, you can see there's an order block right here. And if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, we'll see that there is a bullish order block, and that actually contained a bit the price after the NFP. I was thinking that right here on the 4 hour daily time frame on the DXY, we have a fair value gap. And since we had NFP, I thought that the normal behavior of the fair value gap could be corrupted because of the NFP. So I didn't know exactly what to expect. And that's why I didn't actually took any trade during the this time span. All right. So NFP happened, as you guys can see, a very strong movement up, and after a very strong movement down, getting inside that 1 hour order block and actually deciding what it's going to do next. So price went up, went down, stood inside that order block right here on the 1 hour time frame, and on Sunday it actually created a gap, a huge gap right here on the dollar, right here, which was already filled, so it's not that interesting. All right, but just to pinpoint this fact for you guys. Okay, so regarding DXY market forecast, the market narrative on the DXY and also fundamental analysis on NFP news were bullish for DXY. So I believe that today we'll probably see the market reaching this buy side liquidity right here. And after that, of course, we will reach this buy side liquidity there. I don't really think that we're going to see that today, because today is a low volatility day and I won't be trading as much as I would on the other days because of the bank holidays. But if this first and most likely possibility doesn't happen today, I believe it will happen tomorrow, or either it will evolve during this week, right? And to actually continue doing this movement before NFP, right? I'll just go to the market replay, right here, right here. We had this fair value gap right here, and then we were filling it, and after that, the market actually stopped to wait for NFP. NFP happened, and that's it. Regarding DXY, that's it, guys. So on Euro USD, the situation is obviously the same. We had a strong NFP movement, right here, reaching to a bearish order block this time, and it actually was gravitating inside of it. And yesterday on Sunday started to actually continue that move down that it was already doing. All right, basically feeling this 4 hour fair value gaps, and also I think daily fair value gaps. Yep, right, daily fair value gaps to actually continue going lower. All right, so I strongly believe that we're going to see a bearish Euro USD today. I don't think, just like DXY, I don't think that we'll see exactly this day, but either today or tomorrow we're going to see that sell side liquidity being reached, and that's basically it. I don't think that price will go bullish and actually continue this NFP movement. I don't believe in that, both technically and fundamentally. All right, I believe it's going to go low, and if it goes low, of course, this analysis from now on will not be for today, but just for you guys to keep in mind that we have a fair value gap on the daily time frame on Euro USD that we may be reaching to. All right, so this is long-term thing, and I just want to make clear for you guys. So that's pretty much it regarding the market forecast on Euro USD and DXY. I'm bearish for today on Euro USD, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video if you like the content. If you like the channel's content, please consider subscribing to it. And that's it. Have a nice day and trade safe. Bye.